Hello there. Today we're gonna talk about one part from website security, which is the HTTPS. As you're all aware, the HTTPS is the secure version of HTTP. Thus, the communication between the browser and the website will be encrypted by HTTPS protocol. So, how to change from HTTP to HTTPS in your WordPress website? To be able to do this, all what you have to do is just follow this tutorial step by step. As you can see here, my website is not secure yet. Your connection to this site is not secure. So the first step will be we will need the SSL for free website to get the SSL certificate. Type your website domain name in the URL field. In my case is free2concept.com. Create a free SSL certificate. Scroll down, click here on your verified domain. Here we are. We're gonna download these two files. Yeah, it's downloaded, and the second one is downloaded. Show in folder, this one and this one. Then we go to our hosting service panel dashboard for creating the .well-known folder. In my case, my hosting service is Hostinger, so don't worry, all the hosting services have almost the same dashboard. We scroll down to File Manager. Yeah, here. Open it. Then we have to be in the main folder, which is public HTML, this one, where we'll create our folder. Create the new folder button, and then go here and copy this, paste it here, create. Alright, our folder, as you can see here, our folder is created. Once we've created that folder, we're gonna create another folder inside of it, name it Acme Challenge, which is this one. Yeah, we copy it, copy, and go Hostinger, new folder. No, I'm sorry. Open this folder and go and create, paste it here, create. Right now we're gonna upload the downloaded files inside the Acme folder, inside this folder. Go here, upload files, select files, then go to our folder, which is in the desktop. Where is it? HTTPS. Yeah, this is the first one. Well, upload. It's done. Then the second one, select file, upload, done. After we've uploaded those two files, we're gonna verify if they have been uploaded successfully by go back to SSL certificate for free and click this link. Well, it's done, it's uploaded successfully. And this the second one. Yeah, great. We now ready to download the SSL certificate. Scroll down here and click on download the SSL certificate, which there are three different files. As you can see here, we have the three different files, which is the certificate, the private key, and eventually the CA bundle. Right now we're gonna go back to cPanel to upload our certificate files. Okay, here we are. Scroll down and then open this one, the SSL section. So here we're gonna choose our domain name, free2concept.com, and as you can see here, the certificate.crt, the private key.key, and finally the certificate authority bundle, CA bundle. So we go here and go and select all of this code, Control C, Control A, Control C, as you know, and go and paste it there, paste it here, paste. This is the certificate. Right now we're gonna take the private key, Control A, Control C, then Control V here, and finally the CA bundle. This one, Control C, Control V, then install. Your SSL has been installed successfully. That's great. Continue to Control C panel. Here we are now. This is our certificate. So here we go back to our website and then refresh the page and see. Hell yeah. Yeah, as you can see here, we have HTTPS right now, but we have here view site information. Your connection to this site is not fully secure. Anyways, there are some stuff which we have to do to make our website fully secure. First of all, we go to setting, then general. Yeah, it's already in general, and add a S to both of WordPress address URL and site address URL. Add an S here and S here. Scroll down and save changes. That's all. Alright. As same as we update our URL, we're gonna have to update our database to use the HTTPS, and in this step we're gonna use a plugin which will do it faster than doing it manually. The bad news about using plugins is the more you have plugins in your website, the more your website will be slower. And the good news is we'll use this plugin, then we'll remove it. Otherwise I would do it manually because I'm always trying to use less plugins. Alright, we're installing this plugin by going to add a new plugin. Add a new plugin. Then type beta search replace. Beta search replace. This is the name of the plugin. Yes, here it is. Install, then activate it. Alright, then open this plugin by going to tools and beta search replace. Yeah, this one. Here we are now. This plugin will search for every HTTP word in your database and replace it with HTTPS. So tell him to search for HTTP by typing HTTP here and replace it with HTTPS. Then select tables. Of course you want to select all your tables. Select tables by click on Ctrl A, then uncheck this, run as dry run, and leave everything else as is. Then click on run search replace. Okay. Okay, our database has been updated successfully. Then, as I said, we're gonna remove that plugin because I don't need it anymore. Install the plugins, then go beta search replace and deactivate. Thank you. Thank you for your service. Bye bye. In the next step, we're gonna force HTTPS. Even though you have an SSL certificate for your website, your visitors won't use HTTPS while accessing your website by default. We can simply add this shortcode to our .htaccess file, which is in the public HTML folder, in order to force HTTPS. By the way, you'll find this shortcode by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Before we start this step, if your hosting service is Hostinger, the same as me, it will be easier to do this step. All what you have to do is go to SSL, scroll down SSL. Yeah, this is your certificate. and just click on this button, force HTTPS, and that's all. HTTPS has been forced successfully. Otherwise, if your hosting service doesn't have this option, just follow me to do it manually. So when we go to open, for example, my website, we just put HTTP, not HTTPS, HTTP, yes, here it is. It will redirect automatically to HTTPS, yeah, HTTPS. But if we disable it and force HTTPS and go put HTTP without S, it will still on HTTP, yeah, not secure. So to force HTTPS manually, we go to File Manager, okay, thank you. Then select this folder and go to Edit. Right now we go to copy that code from my website, which, as I said, you'll find the link under this video. Select it and copy, then go back to our file and paste it here, then save. That's all. Everything is fine until now and our SSL certificate is active. One more and last step. We're gonna update our URL in Google Analytics and Google Search Console. First we go to Google Analytics, then choose admin, click on this property setting and change this from HTTP to HTTPS. That's all, and save. Alright, once we finish it Google Analytics, we go to set up Google Search Console. In Google Search Console, we can't edit the URL as same as Google Analytics, so we're gonna remove the existing one and create another property. First, we remove this property, remove property, then add a new one, which is www.freetoconcept.com, but this time with HTTPS, not HTTP. To make it faster, we're gonna copy our domain name, select and copy and paste it here, add property. Alright, go to property, and that's all. Close this and this, and as you can see here, HTTPS, and when you click in that, connection is secure. In some cases perhaps you'll not find this padlock and not fully secure, instead of this connection is secure, something like this, your connection to this site is not fully secure. To fix this issue, you'll find another video in the description showing you how to solve this. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please leave us your feedback. It's highly important to me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.